Oh, wenemo, wenemo, oh, wenemo. Hey, igorebe, babu wene, igorama, tuwa, igori himbe, mebu wene, igorebe, wenemo, wenemo. Rahambu Dot Acheru. Mbuwo, odo ha bakri. One way zina, one day the RCS. I am an Ikore girl living in London, and today I'm going to watch my son perform. So this is going to be good. Hopefully they don't chase me out, because I'm going to be like, for every single word he says, I'm going to be like, ooh. And I'm doing this because he said, Mommy, I want you to come sit in the front and I want you to cheer at me really loud. So it's a big deal for me, because only just a couple of months ago it was a different story. Yeah, but I won't go into that right now, but it's a big deal. Hey, don't worry, later on I'll show you the two apart. I'm excited. If you wanna be somebody, if you wanna go somewhere, you better wake up and pay attention. If you wanna be somebody, if you wanna go somewhere, yeah, you better wake up and pay attention. It's so sweet to trust in Jesus, just to take him on his word. I don't know the words though. Oh no, you just to know, thus says the Lord. I'm so glad I've learned to trust him. Blessed Savior, Savior and friend. Do na na na, sha na na na. Jesus, Jesus, how I trust you, how I prove you overrule. Jesus, Jesus, precious Jesus. Oh, fortress to trust you are. Yeah. The reason why I sing, I'm not really a singer, but I guess when the Spirit comes upon your life, you will know how to sing as well. Make me yell him up, make me yell him up, make me yell up. The man come die for my sins, that we may live for every day. What a peace and joy, and sing, sing. Make me yell him up, make me yell him up, make me yell up. The man come down for my sins, and that we may live for everything. People just they look me, they don't understand. You understand? I don't drink, I don't smoke, never have, but I don't. My own natural high. I'm just naturally high. You understand what I mean? Just imagine if I add a little substance to that. I'll just praise completely. Anyways, we're almost there now. Let me go and make noise. African mama in the house.